Hi, I'm Bryan. I'm one of the chefs here at the Lambertville station, and today we're going to make some chocolate. We're going to start off with making a truffle filling, and we have about a pound of chopped up chocolate here. And I'm using a 62% dark chocolate today. And you just want to chop it up as fine as you can. You can either use a food processor, you can chop it by hand, totally your choice. And the finer it gets, the smoother it'll be when it's done. For about a pound of chocolate, we're going to use about 8 ounces of heavy cream. And all we're going to do is get it as nice and hot as we can. And the hotter we get it, the quicker it'll melt that chocolate and the smoother the finish will be. If you wanted to add alcohol, the same thing will happen. The water in the alcohol will cause the chocolate to seize up. So you want to add it to another fat like cream, or even cream mixed with butter. Depends on how soft you want your final result to be. So now it's pretty close to just ready to boil over. And we're just gonna dump it over the chocolate. And as you can see, it melts pretty quickly. And you see, chocolate's all melted and it's nice and smooth. So once you have your base filling done and it sets up and becomes nice and hard, you can roll out balls of truffles. And you'll see it's not hard, it's not super soft, and you can just work it with your hands and create a truffle. Now, you can also use white chocolate or milk chocolate or just dark chocolate, it all works the same. So we're gonna fill a basic mold. You can pick these types of molds are more commercial. You can get basic plastic molds at any craft store or candy making shop, but filling it's the same premise. You're going to need something flat, whether it's a bowl scraper or a paint scraper, something to just smooth it off. Now we have one I filled earlier, and you'll see the chocolate itself is not quite set up. It'll all have this clear look to it later, and then all you have to do is whack it real good on the table, and out they come. That's it.